Hello, so this video is actually a series of series of videos is created to discuss some of the problems in Millan's business combination book, no, chapter 2. So we will be discussing problem 5. So for the first question, we are asked to compute for the shares from issued on the business combination. So we will use the yung standard format ng solution to compute goodwill, pero this time work back tayo. So we start with goodwill and then we add the fair value of the net identifiable assets of the subsidiary uh, long company, no? So ang total nun is 4,200,000. And then, di-divide natin yon dun sa fair value nung share na in-issue, no? Fair value per share. So, we will get the number of shares issued, 420,000.